55 is well above the normal for this time of year. 43 is the normal low, 64 the normal high. So once again, a warm one. Not quite as warm as yesterday, though, because I mentioned we will see some of those cirrus clouds drifting through the sky. They're kind of coming in from Minnesota, and we'll see them off and on today, but no precipitation. All the precipitation is going to stay well to our north up into Canada. Even there, hardly anything going on. And tomorrow we'll have more clouds than sun, but it'll still be well above normal, just not quite as warm as today. As we head into Thursday, maybe a couple of scattered clouds early, but then it's going to turn fairly sunny for the afternoon. So more blue skies for Thursday and on Friday. Remember earlier in the summer, it was so cloudy, it was so wet, and we were like, when is the sky going to be blue? Well, now we've had several days in a row and a couple more to come that the skies will be blue, but not as blue today because we'll have a few of those hazy clouds in the sky. A high of 79, southeast wind around 5 to 10, and for tonight, once again, pretty mild, low down to 55 with mostly cloudy skies, and tomorrow more clouds than sun with a high of 74. That's 10 degrees above normal yet, and a little bit more of a breeze tomorrow. A southeast wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and then back to some sunny weather by Thursday afternoon. Clear blue skies and a high of 78, and back to some very warm weather on Friday. A high of 83, not too far away from a record high on Friday with sunny skies. And then over the weekend, still very warm, well above normal, 80 on Saturday and 78 on Sunday. The change from yesterday, though, is now it looks like the higher chance of rain will come late in the weekend. Instead of on Saturday, we had a little higher chance for a few scattered showers. Now it looks like mainly later in the day on Sunday. And then Monday, look at that, finally cooling down to 68 degrees, but that's still above normal. And precipitation, as we get into closer to the middle of the month, might start to pick up as well across the central part of the country.